If you are living in Nigeria or other country outside UK and you are trying to build your business online internationally, you must have heard of UK Limited company, but you don't even know how to start, how to register, how much you will pay, what document do you require, how you are going to proceed everything to get your business registered on UK Limited company online business. You don't know how to do everything. Don't worry, on this website called StartinUK, it's going to handle everything for you. And in this video, I'm going to break everything down step by step, put you through on the website and show you the website, how everything is being listed on the website, the packages, how you can get paid. All those questions you are asking yourself, you are going to see them on the website. So without wasting much of your time, let me take you guys to my laptop screen and show you guys the full website and everything about this website. Let's get started. Now, this is the website you are seeing right here. It is called StartinUK. Now, I'm going to leave the link to this website in the comment section of this video or the description of this video. You can check it out. But before that, let's check out this platform look like. Now, immediately you enter the link, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, where you are going to see UK company information for no resident, as you can see here. Now, it says the door is open. The information is not, anyone can register a UK Limited company from abroad. The law allows it. So you can check everything out here and you read everything. So working out now, which provide accept non-resident that document they ask for. So you can read all these things. So you can read all these things out. And when you come down here, you can also see view package and also start package. Now, when you come here, it says StartinUK is a business consultancy company formation, register office and banking service are delivered by regulated UK partners. So you can read all these things out by yourself. Now, after you read everything, I'm just trying to review this platform for you guys. Now, when you come down here, it's also say, is your company name available? So that means you need to check your company name before you start to apply for anything. If your name is available, you are going to know. If your name has been used before or somebody have used your name before, you need to check your name. So I'm going to just put a random name just to show you guys for example. This is just example. I'm going to put a random name, not my name, not a company, my company name. But right now, let's say this is my name and my name is Musa. So I'm going to use this as example to show you guys so that you guys are going to see. Then I'll say Mohammed. So maybe this is my name. Then I'll click on check. Now, when I click on check, it's going to check out if my name is being registered, my company name is being registered. And if it is not registered, you are going to see something like this. It says this name appears to be available. But if your name or your company is being registered before, it's going to also show that. So I'm just trying to review it to you how we are going to check your name. So this is just a random name I use. As you can see, this is just a random name I was trying to use. Now, when you come down here, you're also going to see where it says choose your path to UK business. As you can see, transaction pricing with hidden fees. Choose the best plan for your gold business. So you that is want to register a business in UK, this is what you need to see. All these things, everyone has his own packages. Now, you can see the first package here. As you can see, say company house registration, registered office address 1 year, and digital mail service and business bank account guidelines. This is what you are going to get on this first package here. Now, the second package, which is most popular one, as they said here, is the fundamental. That is the complete starter. So as a complete starter, this is just like a mini start. This first one is just like a mini start. As you can see, it says entering. If you're entering, now this is the fundamental. As a starter, what you need here is what you get here is everything in entering package. Now you are going to get everything here. Everything on this first package, you are going to get it on this second package. Now, it says business address for 1 year. You are also going to get a business address in UK for 1 year and also business bank account application support. You're also going to get it here, and Stripe guidelines. You are also going to get it here, and also this quick books support. You're also going to get it here. Quick book support. You're also going to get it in this second package. Now, this is their second package, third package, which is the software essential, as you can see, for SSS and software. So this is the everything in this second package and first package, you are going to get it in this second package, and plus Stripe billing and all these guidelines, everything here you are going to get in the third package. And the fourth package, you are going to get everything from this first, second, and the third package. You are going to get everything here, and also your enroll number, your website policy guidelines, your VTU registration, your brand registration. You are going to get it in this fourth package. Now, the last package, which is the Premium International, this is what you are going to get. You are going to get everything from this first package, second package, third package, and this fourth package. You are going to get everything on this fifth package. Everything is available here. You are going to get everything here, and also 247 WhatsApp support. You are going to get it. 247 WhatsApp support, quick book, full setup, all necessary guidelines. You are going to get everything on this full Premium International package. Now, before we talk about how you are going to get started, let's read this out. It says all prices are no-time fee. No-time fee, that is GBP, and cover the third-party cost for the services listed on each package. There is nothing further to pay. Complete your setup. Register office, business address, mail service are included for the first 12 months. Renewals are arranged direct with the provider at their standard rate. So as you can see, this is trying to explain to you, if you are you working with them for a year and you want to renew, or you are a starter, this explain everything. So all you just need to do, just read this very careful, and so that you are going to understand. And also where it says refund policy, you are going to see what their refund policy here. So if you want to know more about their refund policy, you just need to click this and you are going to see more about their refund policy. Now, here is how it works. As you can see, 5-minute application, the third right routing first time, and handled by your partner. So register in 24 hours. So you are going to see also this. You can click on it and go through it one by one, so that you are going to see more detail about everything. Now, when you come to where it says frequency question asked, as you can see, you say, I need to be in UK? You can click on it, and the answer, it says no. Our entire process is designed for non-residents. You can form or manage your UK company entirely remotely from anywhere in the world. So you can see that. Now you can also see second question, what document do I need? You can tap on that and also read it out. It says a valid passport, a proof of address issue within the last 3 months, and usually a bank statement or utility bank. If you are outside the UK, or partner may ask for those to be classified by a notice. So you can read all these questions here, everything here. Now you can come down here. Can I open a business bank account? You can also read that here. As you can see, say we will guide you through it, which provide us accept non-resident director, what you will ask for. So everything, you are going to see everything here. Just read it out, and this will answer all your questions. As you can see, say what happened after first year. You can also read it here. You say your register office, business address, and mail service are included for the first 12 months. After that, you will renew direct with the provider at the. So you can read this out also. Now after that, you can also check these questions. All these questions, you can read it through one by one. Now, after you have gone through everything, you are making your own proper research about the platform, and you find out that yes, you want to work with the platform. This is where you are going to fill your information. As you can see, it says after submitting this form, we will send you a secure link to verify your identity. That is your KYC, because you need to verify your identity, upload your document. No documents are needed right now, as you can see. So all you just need to do is just to fill out these informations here, the package you want, everything, so that they are going to send you a link where you can do your KYC. They are not asking you for any form information right here. They just need to get some information to proceed it with. And all you need to do is to fill in your name, your last name, your email address, your proposed company name, and also select your package, the package you want above. Select your package and add additional notes. If you have anything you want to add, you can put it here, and you click on this box I've consigned to have this website store my submitted information so they can respond to my inquiry. Then you click on submit form, and in less than some minutes or some hours, they are going to respond to you on a mail, which they said here, just like they said here. They said after submitting this form, we will send you a secure link to verify your identity. So you are going to verify your identity, upload your document, and they will start working on that. And also, if you have any challenges of anything, you want to reach out to their customer care support, you are going to see it below here, where you can just tap on it, and immediately you tap on it, their AI agent is always active. You can chat with them. Tell the AI agent if you want to chat with the real human being, they are also going here online 247, where you can chat them online with. And other things you want to know about this platform, you can check review about this platform on Trustpilot and other places. You can check more review about this platform. As you can see, their contact, their registration company, everything, you can see it here. So now, before we go, let me classify this so that you guys are going to understand much better. I am only affiliated with this platform. So if you register with my promo code or with my invitation code in the description of this video, I am going to receive a commission as an affiliate. And if you use that link to also register, you are also going to get 5% discount on any package you purchase on this platform. So I am only affiliated with them. So you can also make your own proper research about the platform, and after that you can get started with the platform. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.